This is another piece of equipment that looks a little intimidating, but all you have to do is know how to use it and know how to put yourself in good position to get the most out of this. This is the MaxPump decline press. It is incredibly versatile because we not only can adjust the seat position, but we can also adjust the hand position to go as far back as we need to get a maximal stretch out of the range of motion, or if you have shoulder issues, go as shallow as you need to just focus on the muscles that you're training and not go into that deep stretch to cause some undue strain or stress on some chronic shoulder issues you may or may not have. I've been training for 20 years. My stuff is beat up, so I like to keep it a little bit shallow just before pushing into pain so that I can get the most stimulus and the most activation without causing any undue stress and strain on my body. But let's put this in the medium position, that number 3 right there. And then just to show you guys, when I get into this position, it still might be a little difficult to get my hands far enough back. That's what this foot pad is for. When I put my feet here and I press down, we see that the handles go forward, so I can use that to get into the proper position. I'm setting my feet and my lower body in a stable base, just like every other pressing exercise we've done, pushing through my feet, driving my chest up, and allowing that large range of motion to go all the way back with my hands across my chest, and then press in the front plane to get the most stretch and strain out of the muscles that I want to hit. The super cool thing about this decline press is not only the fact that it is in a decline range of motion, but it is versatile for whatever needs you may have, because if I'm hitting my chest and I go in this pronated position, palms down with these crossbars, that might be good for someone stressing their pecs or their shoulders. But if you do have additional shoulder issues or range of motion issues, or just want to better isolate your triceps or the pecs by keeping the arms closer to the body, we can go to this neutral position, set the same foot pressure, get a solid base, drive our chest up, and same principle, just allow a big stretch with that neutral position, hands as far back as we can, and then press through that front plane to get a solid stimulus with whichever grip is the most ideal for you, depending on your individual circumstance. Again, each piece of machinery in here has multiple uses and multiple cases where it could be beneficial for you. It's just about thinking which one is going to make the most sense for your individual circumstance. And if you don't know, all you have to do is ask anyone at the front desk or any of the coaches that are walking around on the gym floor to see what would be the best idea, and they can make a solid recommendation.